Okay, so I just got some new inventory, and I'm breathing so hard because I just ran in the house and ran all the way up here so I can open it up because I'm super excited about this purchase. And I just hope that the quality is what I think it is or what I want it to be. I've never, yes I have, I ordered from this vendor before. But let's see. Oh. Oh my God. This is actually a small. Oh my God. Do you love it? Okay, let me show you what it looks like on. Hold on. Before I show y'all what it looks like on, this is another thing that I bought. Now, this is something that's new to my store. It's a bathing suit. I don't know if I'm going to sell it just yet, but I thought they were so cute, so I bought them just in case I decide to do swimwear. I'm trying to get ready for summer. So this is what it looks like. Oh, goodness. Come on. It's like a little halter top. It's a halter top, and it's got like the little ruffles on it. Come on. So this is the halter part. You tie around your neck, and then that's the bra part. So it's like the bra part. It's got the little ruffles right there, and they're kind of uneven on purpose. And then it's got a high waist bottom. So it is a bikini, and that's what it looks like. So this swimsuit is called Resort Ready. If I'm not mistaken, that's what I named this swimsuit, Resort Ready. And this dress, because that's what it is, it's not a shirt, it's a dress. And it's called Friendly Reminder. So let me try it on for real. I am so sorry if y'all really can't see me, but I don't have a whole bunch of bright light in this babe cave. And I didn't feel like setting up my lights. But this is the dress. It's like a t-shirt. It's got pockets on both sides. Come through pockets. Okay. It's got this little scoop neck. And as you saw already, it says Black and Smart across the front. And it is maxi. Like, look how long it is. Even on my tiptoes. And it's still touching the floor. So I probably can't wear flats with this because it'll drag. And I'm not with the dragging. But, oh, this dress is life. It's life. Let me close my closet door. Hopefully this is a little bit better. Standing up against my white door, you can see it. The best way to see it, though, is to order you one. Let me try the swimsuit on. This is what the swimsuit looks like on. Y'all don't mind my love handles. So this is what the swimsuit looks like on. Again, it is high waist. I am wearing my panties underneath here, just so y'all know. But I'm sure I will keep this one for myself anyway, so don't worry about buying this one, honey, because it fits me, so it's mine. And this is the halter top. It's got the little asymmetric or uneven top for the bra part, and it ties around the neck. Can you see it? Hopefully you can, but yes, come through swimsuit. I might have to do something with this one. Oh, I will. I ain't no might. I will do something with this one. Come on, beach. Come through, especially on the highways. On the high waist. Come through. Yeah, y'all. This the swimsuit.